Okay, so this is the final lab. I have my water bottle halfway filled with water. I covered it with cheap colors, which is a paint. And I have an empty Sunny D bottle, which I cut in half. I'm going to put the bottle inside of it and use this tape to wrap it up. So it has a nice seal going on. What's up? Making a water heater thing. I don't know. It's for science. So now that that is nice and sealed, I'm going to put the cap on this. The water was at 65 degrees, and I'm going to check it in 2 hours of being in the sun and see what it gets up to. If I can get this closed. Alright, so I'll check it later.